If you want to round corners in Photoshop, whether it's for a photo, image, or design element, the good news is that it's actually very easy once you know the right method. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to get smooth, rounded corners using a shape layer and a clipping mask. This is perfect if you want your images to look cleaner, more modern, or better suited for social media, thumbnails, banners, and website graphics. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and load the image you want to edit. On the right side, take a look at your layers panel. If your image is locked as a background layer, you'll need to unlock it first. Just click the lock icon next to the layer, and Photoshop will convert it into a normal editable layer. This step matters because you'll need to move the image and place it into a clipping mask. Now select the rectangle tool by pressing U on your keyboard. If another shape tool is selected, just click and hold on it until you see the full shape tool list, then choose the rectangle tool. Once that's selected, go up to your canvas and draw a rectangle that fully covers the part of the photo you want to keep. In most cases, you'll want it to match the size of the image area exactly, so the rounded corners look clean and even. After you've drawn the rectangle, go to the Properties panel. If you don't see it, you can enable it from the Window menu. In the Properties panel, you'll find the Corner Radius controls. This is where you can dial in how rounded you want the corners to be. If you want subtle rounding, keep the number low. If you want a softer, more modern look, increase the radius until it looks right for your design. This shape layer will act as the base for the rounded corners. Next, go back to the Layers panel and make sure your photo layer is sitting directly above the shape layer. This layering order is important because the image needs to be clipped to the rounded rectangle. If the photo is below the shape, just drag it upward until it's in the correct position. Once the layers are arranged properly, right-click on the photo layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. The image will instantly snap into the shape of the rounded rectangle, and now your corners will appear smooth and rounded. This is one of the easiest and most flexible ways to round corners in Photoshop because you can still adjust the shape later if needed. If you want to change the corner size after clipping the image, simply select the shape layer again and adjust the radius in the Properties panel. Photoshop will update the look immediately. That means you can experiment until the rounded corners match your exact style. You can also resize or reposition the image inside the shape if you want to change the composition. This method is especially useful when you're creating clean graphics for websites, product mockups, social media posts, portfolio layouts, or YouTube visuals. It gives you a polished result without permanently damaging the original image, and because it uses a clipping mask, it's non-destructive, which means you can always go back and edit it later. So to quickly recap, unlock the photo if needed, select the rectangle tool, draw a shape over the image, adjust the corner roundness in the Properties panel, place the image above the shape layer, and then create a clipping mask. That's the full process for rounding corners in Photoshop. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.